Ghanaians are complaining why South Africans are chasing their people. They forgot are those people who are chasing Nigerians. They say we don't want Nigerians in Ghana. Now them are being chased in South Africa. What goes around comes around. Don't chase other people in your country, because one day you will be chased in your country. It's like a game. Even in Zimbabwe, they chase white people and they came independent. And now people in Zimbabwe, we are complaining why South Africans are chasing us. But we forgot that our fathers and our grandmothers, they chased white people. They took their farms. They took their house. The other people who are staying in white people's house in Zimbabwe, those houses they don't buy with their money. They chase white people. Guys, you know that what goes around comes around. We forgot what we did to other people. Now South Africans are chasing us. We are complaining why they are chasing us. What? At the time we are chasing those white people, are the same white people who came in South Africa. Imagine, guys, you are chasing those people in your country in Zimbabwe, and those people they came again in South Africa and produce things. As black people, we don't use our minds. They create our furnitures. They create food. We know that they've got industries, farms. Those the same white people who are being chased in Zimbabwe, they came here and they've got papers in from South Africa. You know that if white people they want to remind us Zimbabweans how we did to them, you understand? Now people we buy cars here in South Africa, because instead if we don't chase those people, guys, South Africa we can fight, but South Africans they will never chase white people. But the wrong decision we did is to chase other person. We don't forget Ghanaians were complaining why South Africans are chasing our people. They forgot that are those people who are chasing Nigerians in Ghana. Zimbabweans were complaining why South Africans are chasing us here in South Africa. We are now why we are complaining, because that issue is us. We can feel the pain now. You don't feel someone's pain. In Zimbabwe, guys, the other people now they are staying in those white people's house. Guys, white people are being chased like dogs in Zimbabwe. They go with nothing. They leave the country with nothing. They came here in South Africa. What goes comes around, guys. One day it's one day. They know our leaders. They know that the way they do it for white people now is the same way black people are being doing here in South Africa. What goes around comes around.